Hello everybody, how are you? In this video we'll solve a lot of questions about dynamics. For revision, a lot of questions from المعاصر book, okay? Look at question number 1. Here, in an instant, the momentum of a body is 112 kilogram meter per second and its kinetic energy is 80 kilogram weight meter. Then the mass of the body equal space kilogram and its velocity equal meter per second. We have here the momentum body. The momentum, we know the momentum equal mv equal 112 kilogram meter per second. Okay, we have what the momentum here, and its kinetic energy will be half mv power 2 equal 80 kilogram weight meter, and we want to find the mass of the body and the velocity. We can find the velocity first by divided relation number 2 by relation number 1. It will be relation number 2 and here relation number 1. We can divide them, right? Half mv power 2 over mv equal 80 divided by, but here kilogram, we want to convert from kilogram weight meter to Newton, multiply by 9.8. okay, so we must convert this. The result will be 80 multiply 9.8 to convert it for Newton, divided by mv here 112 kilogram meter per second. It will be Newton. 112. We can divide it, m with m. The result will be here, right, 2 down, v divided by v equal v. Velocity equal 80 multiply 9.8 over 112. We can find velocity here. The product of extremes equals the product of means. We can find the result here. 2 multiply 80 multiply 9.8 over 112. You can find it by using calculator. Here we can write here 2 multiply 80 multiply 9.8 over 112. The result will be 14 meter for all seconds. Okay, and you want to find the mass of the body towards the velocity. Okay, velocity give here, and we know from this relation mv equal 112 kilogram meter per second. It was Newton. Okay, so we can complete it here. We can write such that mv equal 112, and we can put here v equal 14 meter per second equal 112. Then m equal 112 divided by 14. The result will be 8 kilogram. It was m. So then we can write the mass of the body will be 8 kilogram and the velocity will be 14 meter per second. Okay, another question. Question number 2. A body of mass 300 gram moved in the straight line whose displacement vectors t power 2 plus t plus 1 e, where the norm is in centimeter and t in seconds. And then the magnitude of the force action on it equal. We know force equal m dot e. Okay, F equal m dot e, and they give us m equal 300 gram, and we can find a by derivative about vector here, displacement 2 times. Okay, first we can write velocity equal the first derivative about displacement over t. We know s equal displacement equal t power 2 plus t plus 1 all to direction e, and then we can find v, velocity equal first derivative about displacement. The result will be 2t plus 1 for all the vector e. Okay, we find v, and then we can find a equal derivative about dv over dt. Okay, to find the force equal m multiply a, and then we have m equal 300 gram. Then you must find a is the second derivative about displacement. First derivative we can find the velocity, and second derivative we can find a equal derivative of velocity per t. Okay, we can derivative here, it will be t 2a. Then f equal m was 300 multiplied by a was 2, it will be 600 dyne. This is the result about this example. Okay, you must keep in your mind f equal m multiply a, m 300 because you want to find this unit dyne. Then m equal 300 gram, and we can find a equal derivative about v, and displacement here we can find velocity about derivative about s per t equal 2t plus 1. Then a equals the second derivative about what, about displacement, it will be t. Then f equals 600 dyne. Another question: the vertical distance between two bodies connected by the end of a light string passing over a smooth body fixed and suspended vertically is 100 cm after 2 seconds from the beginning of the motion. Then the velocity of each on that instant equal space centimeter per second. You want to find velocity. Okay, we want to find acceleration first. We have v dot equals 0. The vertical distance between two bodies connected by the end of the light passing through over a smooth body fixed and suspended vertically is 100 cm after 2 seconds. Then t equal 2 seconds. Okay, and we can find the distance here explained equal 100 divided by 2 equal 50 cm. So we have v dot at t and s, then and we have g equal 980 centimeter per square second, and we know displacement equal v naught multiply t plus half acceleration t power 2. You can find acceleration here by this rule. We can write s equal 50 equal v naught equal 0 plus half a t power 2 equal 4. Half 4 equal 2, we can divide it by 2, then a equal 25. 50 equal 2 multiply acceleration, then acceleration equal 50 divided by 2 equal 25 centimeter per square second. Then you can find velocity about each on that instant. V equal, with this relation must be using this rule, v equal v naught plus a multiply t. A acceleration, t time here 2 seconds, and v naught equal 0. Then v equal velocity equal a multiply t. Acceleration was 25 multiplied by t was 2 seconds. Then the velocity will be 50 centimeter per second. Okay, it's the result about this question.